U.S. Stock Market, June 17, 2025. Thank you for reading our news. Please like and follow us for daily news updates. Index performance. U.S. equity markets fell sharply on June 17th. The S&P 500 closed at 5,980 to 0.72, down 0.8%. The Dow Jones Industrial average at 42,000 to 115.80, 0.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite at 19,521.09, 0.9%. Small cap stocks were even weaker, with the Russell 2000 at 2,101.96, 0%. Tuesday's sell-off erased nearly all of the prior week's gains. Key market drivers. Markets were driven lower by escalating geopolitics and disappointing economic data. Renewed fighting between Israel and Iran sent crude oil prices sharply higher, up approximately 4% on the day, stoking worries over energy supply and inflation. At the same time, U.S. May retail sales and manufacturing indicators came in weaker than expected, suggesting consumer spending is slowing. As a result, Treasury yields fell, and the U.S. dollar strengthened on safe haven demand. Investors also noted that the Federal Reserve meets Wednesday. Most expect the Fed to hold rates steady, but to comment on growth and tariffs in light of the mixed data. Investor sentiment turned cautious as risk-off flows picked up. U.S. and global stocks broadly retreated, and volatility spiked. The CBOE VIX jumped about 13% to approximately 21.6. Major equity averages fell across the board while oil and defense sectors outperformed on the supple. Why fears? At the same time, safe haven assets rallied. Treasury bonds and the U.S. dollar advanced sharply as investors fled. Risk overall, markets showed a defensive tone amid the geopolitical tensions and ahead of the Fed meeting. Short term outlook. With the Fed meeting imminent, traders are on edge. Fed officials are widely expected to leave rates unchanged, but their outlook statements will be closely watched for clues on inflation and growth. As Reuters noted, the combination of the Middle East conflict and the Fed decision means investors will not be getting complacent. In sum, the market outlook is cautious. A choppy trading environment is likely in the near term as investors navigate geopolitical risks and economic news. Sources: Market Close data and context from Associated Press and Reuters, June 17, 2025. All performance figures cited above are for the trading day of June 17, 2025.